Assalamu alaikum, respected all parents and students. In this video today I'm going to teach you how can you install Google Meet on your Android mobile. For this, first of all you have to go Play Store, then you can type Google Meet on your search bar. This is the icon of Google Meet. You can see this is only 10 MB software. It is very small software. You can easily download. Okay, first click install, accept. Okay, first it's being downloading. It will take some seconds for the downloading. You can see this is very fast downloading because this is only 10 MB software. Okay, downloading has been finished successfully. Now it's going to install. Once the installation has finished, you can see the open icon will appear, and also this software is will be shown on your desktop, mobile phone desktop as well. Okay, so I have two accounts available in my mobile phone. One is my personal account gmail.com and second is official.aksp.net id. Once you finish this installation, you can open. Okay, you can see the open icon will appear on. So we can open directly from here, and we can also open from the desktop as well. Open Google Meet. Okay, continue. Welcome to Meet. Continue. Okay, this is the window which I'm going to tell you about. First icon is my official account aksp.net id. I've already teach you that how to install aksp.net id on your mobile phone on my last video. If you have successfully installed your aksp.net id, that's very good. Otherwise, if you don't have aksp.net id in your mobile phone, that's okay. Don't need to worry about it. You can go with your personal account as well. Let's suppose this time I'm going to my personal account Gmail. Okay, so you can see my Android Meet icon is successfully working. My software is successfully working. Uh, when you receive your invitation through code or through link from the school, you can directly copy or paste the meeting code and the meeting link as well for connecting the meeting. You can change your email address, your account, with these three lines appearing on the top. I'm telling about these three lines. Okay, you can see in my personal account is working over there. We can switch our account aksp.net id as well, like this, by clicking this account. Now you can see sign in as my personal account as well from here. So this is the very easy process to install Meet, Google Meet, and if you have received any meeting link from the WhatsApp or the email address, you can directly connect with that link and you will join our meeting as well. Thank you.